Alright, for these edges, you're going to want to trim down these little ducts right here. I'm using a pair of Eastwood metal shears. Just going ahead and then sticking them in there and cutting them lips off real quick. Otherwise it interferes with the lip piece, and I'd ideally like to put a bolt back here so you can still reach up in there to put a bolt. So far on the driver's side, this is what it looks like. I put an additional one here because what I'm doing is, as I'm going along, I'm kind of pulling down on the lip and trying to see where the weak points are, and this was a weak point right here. So if you go ahead and just drill right through there, you can just stick your hand up in here and you can access, put a bolt in there. It's pretty easy. So yeah, so far that's this side, and then all I got to do is do that in the center, that in the center, and then just repeat for that side and add one in the back, and I think she's good to go.